Welcome to the mesmerizing world of industrial automation, where nature meets engineering precision on the dystopian Bot Rise channel today. It all begins here in the rich soil, where massive harvesting machines work tirelessly to gather the raw potato harvest. Thousands of pounds of starchy tubers are collected every single hour to satisfy the global demand for this crispy snack. These trucks embark on a crucial journey to the processing facility where raw agriculture will be transformed into processed perfection. Upon arrival at the manufacturing plant, the logistics chain seamlessly connects with the automated intake systems of the modern factory. Gravity does the heavy lifting as the entire load is deposited into the intake hopper to begin the manufacturing process. And the first step involves separating the actual product from the field debris using vigorous vibrating screens and specialized sorting mechanisms. This continuous river of root vegetables flows steadily into the heart of the facility where advanced machinery awaits their arrival. High-pressure water jets blast the initial layer of grime away, preparing the skins for the thorough cleaning stages ahead. Submerged in these massive tanks, the potatoes are tumbled gently against each other to scrub away the remaining field residue. The transformation begins to take shape as the brown earth is washed away, revealing the natural golden skin underneath. Safety is paramount as automated systems detect and remove any stones or metal fragments that could damage the delicate slicers. Now clean and sorted, the batch ascends to the peeling station where the tough outer skins will be efficiently removed. Abrasive rollers spin at high speeds to gently sand away the skin without removing too much of the valuable flesh. The result is a stream of perfectly peeled vegetables, ready to be shaped into the iconic snacks we all recognize. Optical scanners inspect every single unit, ensuring that only the highest quality potatoes proceed to the critical slicing phase. This singular focus on quality control ensures that the final product maintains the consistent taste and texture consumers always expect. The potatoes are fed into a centrifugal slicer where razor-sharp blades rotate at incredible speeds to create uniform cuts. In the blink of an eye, a whole potato is transformed into dozens of thin slices with precise mathematical thickness. This rapid mechanical process creates a continuous shower of raw chips, ensuring high volume production without sacrificing any precision. Depending on the blade configuration, the machine can produce the classic flat chip or the sturdy ridged variety instantly. Immediately after slicing, the chips are washed in cold water to remove excess starch that could ruin the frying process. Removing this starch is absolutely critical to preventing the chips from sticking together and ensuring a crisp, final texture. Air knives blast high-velocity wind across the conveyor to strip away moisture before the slices hit the hot oil. Excess water in the fryer would lower the oil temperature efficiently, so this drying step is vital for energy efficiency. We have now reached the heart of the operation, the massive industrial fryer where the culinary magic truly takes place. As the slices hit the hot oil, the remaining water vaporizes instantly, creating a protective barrier of escaping steam. Submerged in this golden bath, the cellular structure of the potato changes permanently, locking in the crunch we all love. And the conveyor moves the chips through the oil at a precise speed to ensure even cooking and perfect color development. Advanced sensors monitor the oil temperature constantly, making micro adjustments to maintain the ideal frying conditions for every single batch. Rotating paddles ensure that every chip receives equal exposure to the heat, preventing undercooked spots or soft, soggy centers. As the moisture leaves the potato, the chips become lighter and float to the surface, signaling they are fully cooked. The golden chips emerge from the fryer on an inclined belt that allows the excess oil to drain away efficiently. They are now transformed into crispy golden discs, but they are still extremely hot and fragile at this specific stage. Cooling conveyors help to set the structure of the chip and prepare the surface for the upcoming seasoning application process. Now technology takes over again as optical sorters scan thousands of chips per second to identify any imperfections or burns. Precise jets of air shoot rejected chips off the line with incredible accuracy, ensuring only premium chips make the cut. This rigorous quality control guarantees that the consumer never encounters a burnt or soggy chip in their purchased bag. The surviving chips, now verified for quality, march onward to the flavoring station where they will receive their signature taste. Huge rotating drums are used to gently tumble the chips, ensuring that every single angle is exposed to the seasoning. A precise amount of seasoning powder is sprayed into the drum, creating a fine mist that coats the chips evenly. The residual warm oil on the surface of the chips acts as a natural adhesive, binding the flavor particles permanently. The tumbling action is carefully calibrated to mix the product thoroughly without shattering the delicate, crispy structure of the chips. Visual transformation is complete as the plain golden chips take on the vibrant colors and aromas of the specific seasoning. Any excess seasoning is shaken off and collected for reuse, ensuring the perfect flavor intensity without being overpowering or wasteful. We now enter the packaging hall, a noisy and energetic environment where the chips are prepared for their journey to stores. Elevators lift the finished product to the top of the weighing towers, utilizing gravity to feed the packaging machines below. Sophisticated multi-head weighers calculate the best combination of buckets to drop the exact weight of chips into every bag. Once the calculation is made, the trap doors open, and the chips free fall down a chute into the formed packaging film. Before the bag is formed, essential data, like production dates and batch codes, are printed directly onto the packaging film. The flat sheet of plastic is pulled over a forming collar to create a tube, and which is then sealed vertically. A puff of nitrogen gas is injected into the bag to displace oxygen, keeping the chips fresh and preventing crushing. Heated jaws clamp down to seal the bag airtight and cut it loose, completing the individual packaging cycle instantly. The finished bags drop onto the output conveyor, air-cushioned and sealed, ready to handle the rigors of shipping and handling. Random samples are pulled from the line to test seal integrity, ensuring that the protective nitrogen atmosphere remains inside. Robotic arms with gentle suction grippers pick up the bags and arrange them neatly into cardboard shipping cases for transport. The filled boxes are automatically taped shut and labeled with logistics information to track them through the global supply chain. Heavy-duty palletizing robots stack the boxes in precise patterns, creating stable loads ready for the warehouse and distribution centers. Forklifts whisk the pallets away to the storage warehouse where they await distribution to supermarkets and convenience stores worldwide. From a humble root vegetable buried in the dirt to a globally recognized snack, The transformation is a marvel of engineering. These automated processes ensure that store shelves remain stocked with fresh, consistent, and affordable snacks for consumers to enjoy. The satisfying sound of a bag opening represents the culmination of agriculture, logistics, and advanced manufacturing working in perfect harmony. Every bite delivers a consistent texture and flavor profile that has been engineered and monitored by hundreds of precise machines. Behind the scenes, the factory never sleeps, continuing this cycle of production day and night to feed the world. Skilled engineers constantly maintain these complex systems, ensuring that the automation runs smoothly without any unexpected downtime or errors. A single facility can process hundreds of tons of potatoes daily, producing millions of bags of chips every single year. The seamless integration of every machine creates a symphony of efficiency that maximizes output while minimizing waste and energy consumption. Modern factories also prioritize sustainability by recycling water and converting potato waste into starch products or animal feed supplements. Even the peels are not wasted, finding new life as organic fertilizer or feed, completing the cycle of sustainable production. This industry relies on a strong partnership between dedicated farmers and innovative engineers to bring this product to your table. As we look back at the humble fields, we appreciate the journey from the soil to the high-tech processing plant. From washing to peeling, slicing to frying, every step is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of automation. Seasoning, packaging, and distribution complete the chain and delivering a safe and delicious product to consumers across the entire globe. Ultimately, all this complex technology serves a simple purpose: to bring joy and flavor to gatherings and moments of relaxation. The perfect crunch is no accident. It is the result of decades of scientific research and engineering refinement in food processing. The machines continue their rhythmic dance, processing millions of potatoes with a consistency that human hands could never hope to match. Stainless steel and silicon chips work together to maintain the highest standards of hygiene and efficiency in the modern food industry. As technology advances, these facilities will become even more efficient, further reducing waste and energy use in the future. Artificial intelligence is already beginning to optimize these lines, predicting maintenance needs and adjusting cooking parameters in real time. These snacks travel across oceans and continents, bridging cultures through the universal language of a savory and crispy treat. Innovation continues to drive the industry forward, creating new shapes, textures, and bold flavors to excite the consumer palate. But despite all the technology and global reach, it all still depends on the humble potato growing quietly underground. As one batch finishes, another truck arrives, ensuring that the cycle of production continues to feed a hungry world. The symphony of the factory floor is a song of progress, a melody of mechanical precision that defines our modern era. We hope this deep dive has given you a new appreciation for the engineering marvel inside every bag of chips. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating and complex world of industrial potato chip manufacturing today. If you enjoyed learning about this process, please hit the like button and share this video with your curious friends. Let us know in the comments below what other industrial processes or automated factories you would like us to explore next. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights into the machines that build our modern world every day. Stay curious, stay informed, and make sure to subscribe to Dystopian Bot Rise for your daily dose of industrial automation.